Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix phone is overheating while charging issue in Samsung Galaxy A14. If you're using Galaxy A14 and you're facing the issue that when your phone is on charging, it might overheat. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to go ahead to your settings apps. Go to settings here, and in settings, simply go to battery, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled power saving. So I recommend you have to try if in your phone supports power saving mode enabled when on charging. So you can enable this, and you can also enable battery protection. Go to battery protection here, select maximum, and then select up to 90% here. So once you have selected 90%, it will not allow your phone to charge up to 100%, but it will protect your battery, and it will also decrease overheating issue. So once you have done, just go back, and here now simply go to display. You can select dark mode instead of light mode from here. You can also enable adaptive brightness, and now you can go to battery again, go to this usage section. And here you have to check which app is using more battery in your phone. You can try to disable that app. You can also try to completely uninstall that app. Or after doing this, you have to go back here, go to software update section, and just make sure that your phone is completely up to date. You might have an independent software update. If you find this site to update your software, after updating software, just simply go back from here, and you have to make a restart. Just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, it will let your phone do a completely refresh startup. So I recommend you to don't use your phone while it's on charging. So once you have done, the issue might have been fixed. You have to also check for your charger and your charging cable. If you're using any damaged charger or any damaged charging cable, so it might also cause this excessive heat and battery damage issues. So I recommend you have to also always use Samsung approved fast charger and cable. It is also highly recommended to plug directly into a wall outlet rather than using a PC's USB board or a wireless charging. So if you're using a PC's USB board to charge your phone, so I recommend you don't use this. You just have to use the original charging adapter instead of having PC's USB to prevent these type issues with your battery. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.